to CJY Money Entertainment. And if you notice, we're making a quick pizza. So let me show you what I have. I went and got this from a local store. It's about $4. You get 2 pizza shells. So we don't need 2. We just need 1. So I put it on my pizza pan, spray my pan. And that's just so it doesn't stick. Already marinated my sauce. I've already added my seasonings, my Italian seasoning, and I've already cooked it up and marinated it for other foods. So this is just leftover sauce, or people would call it Brooklyn style. Most of y'all know I am originally born and raised in New York. So I like that kind of pizza. I'm not very much of a cardboard pizza. So I figure this sometimes comes out cheaper. Hit me up in the comments and tell me what you think. Do you make it your own pizza? Is it really tasty and cheaper than going to buy that cardboard pizza? So I got my sauce in. Good about making your own pizza, you can use what different types of cheeses that you want. Oven 350 degrees, middle rack for about 15 minutes. Put them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more. Me and my things and my stuff and my goodies and food and stuff.